Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming one of my favorite makeup looks to do and I'm really excited to show you guys. I don't know if I mentioned this last video that I posted on Monday that I'm going to try to do 2 videos a week, whether it be a makeup look or like skincare or like something about my daily life. I'm really excited to show more about my life with you guys. For today's makeup look, my inspo was basically from last week's where I did a very like pretty pinky makeup look, but I want to do something a little bit more neutral and a lot less chiseled. One of the main things I really like about this makeup style, how it favors round features, roundness, where like sharpness and angleness is something that's also liked in some of the looks, but I have a round head, I have very round features, and I want to do a look that's going to showcase that. So these are the looks that I'm using for inspiration today. I think they're very natural, very pretty, very feminine and girly and glittery. Literally some of my favorite adjectives. While I do take a lot of requested makeup looks, I think my YouTube is going to be more of like me trying looks that I really want to try, and maybe that's going to reflect a little bit into my Instagram from now on. I'm really excited to start this new chapter of my page, and if you have not watched my video that I posted on Monday, I'm going to link it down below. Please go give it some love. So without further ado, let's go ahead and kickstart this makeup look. Let's get into it. Personally, I think a pair of lenses really help to elevate a look, so I'm going to go in with orange, Russian smoky lenses in the shade brown, and I'm going to pop those in. For my skin prep, I'm going to first go in with Medihill's Matte Cast Aside Blemish Pad. I'm just going to use that to work that all over my face and just give it a nice refreshing feel. La Roche-Posay's Thermal Spray Water all over my skin, and I literally just let that dry out. While my skin is still slightly damp, I'm going to go in with the Serum by Revolution. It's their hyaluronic acid, and I don't know if I mentioned this last week, but it is also really good if you apply it on damp skin. Aspen K Naturals Glow Face Oil. I'm going to put some on my palms and rub it between it and just kind of like smooth that along my skin. Topping that off with Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I love this. It's super hydrating and it's like a nice icing on the cake. So typically I let that dry for about 5 minutes, and my 5 minutes is currently up. For the first step of my priming process, I'm going to go in with the NYX Bear With Me spray and just get that all over my skin to add some hydration. NYX's Honey Dew Me Up Primer just to help my face look so nice and dewy. Shisa West Blurred Glow Stick in the shade Herb Sugar on all of the high points of my face. Lightly color correct all of my discoloration on my face with Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in the shade Cookie. For my foundation today, I'm going in with L'Oreal True Match in the shade N6.5 to even out my skin tone. Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in the shade Warm Sand to conceal and highlight my face. For my cream blush, I'm going to go in with the NYX Sweet Cheeks in the shade Bombshell and just use that to make my face look all nice and glowy. Kaleidos Symphony Contour Trio in the shade Tan to contour my face. Set my face with Laura Mercier's setting powder in the shade Translucent Honey. L'Oreal Age Perfect in the shade Classic Tan to just brush off some of that bake. NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso to fill in my brows lightly and just to make them look a little bit more manicured. Add some definition to the eyebrows. I'm going to use the NYX Lift and Snatch in the shade Espresso as well. NYX Epic Liner in the shade Brown to do some moles on my face. Add on some Kaleidos Tone Activator to prime my eyelids. For the eyes, I'm going to go in with my very loved P. Louise Wedding Wish palette. This is very nice neutral shades and it really works well with my skin tone. On a fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with Proposal and I'm going to put that all over my lid and smoke that out. And with that same brush, a little bit of ring on it and just kind of smoke out my outer V. Hashtag Wifey to smoke out my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with Endless Love to highlight my lower lash line and also highlight around my eye a little bit. Commitment to add some shimmer to my lid. Alicia's Get Loose Glitter Gel to highlight my eye. Flower Nose Black Eyeliner to add a nice wing and to extend out my lower lash line. NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Frosting to highlight my waterline. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes up to the gods. Mish Dailyism Smudge Stop Mascara to coat my lashes. For my lashes, I'm going to go in with this nice set from 99 Dreams. I'm going to apply those on my lid, starting from the inside of my eye and then working my way to the outside. Kaleidos Mono Blush in the shade Sanguine on my cheeks and everywhere I put that cream blush. Use your brush just to blend that in a little bit so it's not too stark. Judy Doll Highlighting Powder on all of the high points of my face. Accentuate my face a little bit more with the All My Things Kiss Your Eye Glitter in the shade Stiletto. I'm going to line and accentuate my lips with the lip liner from NYX in the shade Mahogany. For the most part, I would say this look is done, but I'm going to go change real quick. I'll be right back. I went ahead and changed real quick. I think the final look looks really nice. Then to finish off the final touch for my makeup, I'm gonna go in with the Kaleidos Untanned Glow Glossy Lip Glaze in the shade Pink Marquise. Okay, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one. This is exactly the look I was going for. I literally looked in my mirror and I was like, you are so pretty. And if you want to try this look, you'll look just as pretty as I do. I promise you. I've already had somebody message me about my makeup look from last week that did everything exactly how I did my look in the tutorial, and they were like, it turned out flawless. So if you want to get this really pretty, glowy, glittery makeup look, go ahead and follow this tutorial. If you enjoy the looks that I'm doing, go ahead and subscribe to my page and turn on the notification bell. Leave a comment down below of what you think of this very pretty look. And head over to my other social media. It's going to be listed on my link tree down below. You can DM me photo inspirations on Instagram. Follow that page as well. That is my biggest social media platform. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really love all of you again so much. Bye.